Tornado, tornado, tornado.
To the water droplets in the air. True or false?
Kahoo at the Weather Fest.
Can you guys read it? Someone right here read it for me.
These are the Gardella twins from Horizon High School.
Hey guys.
Hi. So firstly, the average lightning striking hits about 15 million volts of electricity. The hair to more or less go up. So with my hat, actually the hair more or less kind of follow me.
It's electromagnetic force.
Nice.
We're here with the Frostbite team.
Hi Frostbite team, you guys ready?
Yes. Camila Paesa, Joan Morado, we are the Frostbite.
We want to present you as the first one from the borderland to actually get an award for being an ambassador of excellence. This is for Monica, this is for Selena, it's for Jessica, it's for the management, everybody that is a part of KTSM. We love working with you, and we thank you for all you do.
Now, from the station you count on, watch KTSM 9 News, weekdays at 5, 6, and 10 p.m.
So everything you see that comes out on the news, we do on these computers. This is where we record everything. So they're soundproof. Again. How do you guys like it? They're the ones who control all of the cameras. They control all our graphics that go up. They control when our commercials come on. So when we're talking and then you see Channel 9 News swipe across our face, it's all of this. And then back here is where our producer sits. So he's the one who keeps the ticker going. So our sound booth controls all of the music as well.
This is so cool.
So this is the men's. You can see right now they have some of their blazers and extra shirts, their shaving cream. So this is where our visitors wait. Also, if we do interviews and we don't want them in the studio, we want them to bring it back, we kind of put them in here. I don't know if you guys can also have. Are you guys ready?
Yes!
But ready?
Yes!
Yep, they can see how they look.
This is the weather.
Yes.
I can tell.
But we're also 23 for Brownsville, where the anchors sit. Majority of the time we have one of these cameras on here, or we have both of them. We have someone controlling it.
Hi, we're the AAA Bros. We're in KTSM Channel 9. Hi, my name is Sophia. Hi, my name is Samantha. We're here at KTSM.
Clouds move around the area, but it doesn't mean they're seeing rain. If anything, maybe some sprinkles. They're definitely seeing some storms. What's that? There's purple, pink. So they're starting to see some hail. So if you're under some winter storm warning, winter weather advice.
Your thunderstorm watch means like keep an eye in the sky. We saw one somewhere close by, so just make sure that you're kind of tracking it. You know, looking here, this radar right here, and so basically, do you see this little moving blob of green and yellow? Yeah. Those are the ones that are going to show us where the thunderstorms are at. So we're looking, we're tracking them. The more colorful the storm system is, the more severe it is. That one aims directly at the green zone. So the camera's already programmed to give us the color green. So it's your job to kind of be like, okay, so look at right here. So that's what we're doing.
ENN crew, we are here with Monica Cortez from KTSM 9.
And we are actually in the green screen room.
Yep.
Where you do your weather reports, right?
Every day, and so I'm so glad that you guys are here and you already learned how to use a green screen, which is amazing.
Cool, huh?
Yeah.
Well, thank you for this opportunity. We want to thank you so much.
Oh, thank you.
All right, give
You
her a high
guys
five,
are
guys.
so
Give her a high
smart.
five.
High five, yeah.
All right.
We're with the StratoStar. We're with Horizon High School. They're preparing the payload.
Hi, my name is Kelly Gomez, and we'll be sending 2 types of popcorn.
OAR on today's Pulse Top 15 countdown
marshmallows
at
and a
number
balloon.
5, dropping a spot this week.
This is a high school.
Here are the payloads. Going to space. Thank you, KTSM. Wasn't that cool?
3, 2, 1,
Wow, the boxes look so small.
Here we are, heading down the road to retrieve the StratoStar. Google is telling us our payloads have landed near here.
Everybody, we found the payload.
Woo!
This is ENN Special Report.